What's up you guys, it's Mariah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a FabFitFun unboxing. I've been getting these boxes for just about a year, and Kendall literally just went to the post office, just brought it home, and I've been really excited to open it. So I figured I would sit down and film and open it. I don't know everything that's in this. I've tried so hard to avoid everything that's like shown it, like so difficult. It's so difficult because literally every YouTuber that I follow in some way, shape, or form sponsors this, whether it be on like Instagram or as a video. So it's been really difficult, but I've seen a few things. I haven't seen everything, so this is still gonna be mostly a surprise. If you like this kind of video, go ahead and subscribe down below, turn the notifications on, give this video a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is the spring box for 2018. This is what it looks like. So let's go ahead and crack into it. Okay, so this is what it always comes with a little pamphlet telling you what's in it, so I'm gonna save this for the end. Okay, so the first thing I see is this Ish lip statement palette. Ooh, fancy. Oh, ready for this? Oh, yes, look how shiny and nice that is. There's one on the back too. Ooh. Oh, there's another one. Okay, so this is actually really nice. It has a huge mirror, and then it has all of these different colors in it. I really like the variety of like nudes, pinks, and like reds and oranges. That's actually really pretty. And then you get to like, or at least for me, I get to test out like different shades because I am pretty stuck on always wearing nudes or pinks. So this will be really cool for me. I'm really excited about that. The next thing I see looks like a bag or a lunchbox maybe. Oh, it's like a, oh, that's cool. So it's just like this like big like clutch or makeup bag kind of, and it folds out and it's this really pretty print. And then it's like nylon-y or like vinyl-y kind of on the back. And then the inside is like a waterproof kind of like that material on the inside. And then it has a, I don't even know if you'll be able to see, but it has like a pouch on the inside as well. That's really, actually that'll be really handy for like maybe traveling or something. Yeah, that's really cool. Ooh. Okay, this is an eye mask, it looks like, by Free People. I think it's a cooling eye mask. If you like put it in the freezer. This vegan leather eye mask features a removable non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. The adjustable elastic strap offers a perfect fit every time, and a charming metallic patchwork keeps you dreaming amongst the stars. And it actually feels like it's going to be so soft. So this is what it looks like. Mine's gray with just gold and silver stars on it. And it does have an adjustable strap to fit your head like perfectly. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. So it has the cooling insert that you can keep in the fridge to like depuff your eyes, which is really cool. So it's perfect for traveling if you like swell, like your face swells a little bit, which I know happens to some people. Wow, okay, that's really cool. So the next thing, number 15 fresh linen. I think this is a candle. Sunset collection. Oh, that's so pretty. Ooh, that smells good. So it's just a copper. That would actually look really pretty on this shelf back here. Ooh. Okay, so this is by Anderson Lily, and this is the scent fresh linen, mandarin orange, kaffir lime, clover, white tea, cinnamon, nougat, lavender, sandalwood, patchouli, tonka bean, and fioin coupe. This is the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. So this is number 3, hydrate, it says. To use, massage evenly over face, chest, and neck. Follow with a Murad sunscreen. So it looks like this is a moisturizer. So this is just what it looks like. I don't know. Ooh, that's cooling. That was cooling just on my hand. That's, yeah, I like that. I'm gonna like that. Awesome. Then the next thing is one of the things I have seen. So this is a, like, yeah, this is a massage roller. So you use this like to relieve your muscles, like after you work out or before you work out. So it kind of like goes along with like stretching. This next thing is a Marrakesh oil argan and hemp oil therapy hairstyling elixir. Oh, control frizz and flyaways. I need that. Add shine and make it easier to style. Idea for all hair types. Color safe. Ooh. That smells like syrup. Oh my god. Wait, that. Oh. Oh, that feels weird. I'm not mad at that. That actually feels really, really soft. Where is it? So that's not in the flyer at all. So what I'm thinking is I got an email a few weeks ago before I got the box saying that one of the items ran out. So that must have been what they replaced it with, because one of the items that was supposed to be in the box they ran out of before they shipped mine. So I'm assuming that that's what that is, and that's why it's not in there. So I'll try and look it up online and put the price right here so that I can add it into the overall total. I'll do my best and see what I can figure out, but the price should be right here. Okay, the next thing is by Dermalect Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. So I think this is a concealer. Oh, nail? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Nail treatments. Transform damaged nails into a makeover sensation to achieve beautiful, natural looking nails. So this looks like it's a treatment or slash a base coat. So there's two more things. This next thing is by Caress Guava Body Butter. You get 4.23 fluid ounces. This is actually a really good size. That smells like summer. Ooh, that smells good. Yeah, I like that. That smells really good. Okay. One more thing in here, and these are so cute. This is by the brand Etika. 18 karat gold plated, nickel free, which is exciting. And there's just these little black tassel earrings, and they're studs, which I like. That's really cool. Those are really pretty. Actually, let me put these in right now. Oh my god, I actually love these. These are so cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna go through quickly and add all of this together. Okay, so I looked up the Marrakesh oil and I found it on Walmart for $13.99, so I rounded that up to $14. So I added everything together, and the total of the box altogether comes out to $361. So I purchased this box for $49.99. I know that every code that people give you, you can get it for $39.99, but regular monthly it's $49.99. So that is seriously such a good deal. Like, that's crazy. $360 worth of products for $50. And this is pretty much everything I'm going to use. I will use the mask, I'll use the roller, I will probably use the bag, I'll definitely use the lip kit and the moisturizer, I'll use the hair oil, I'll use the body butter because who doesn't use lotion? Obviously I love the earrings, and I'll use the candle. So the only thing that I might not use is this nail base coat, but we'll see. I'm going to do a little more research into this and see how it might affect your nails. So that is everything that comes in the spring box for FabFitFun. I am personally super excited about this box. If you guys want to order it, they do it 4 times a year. It's seasonal. It's $50 every time, and like I said, you can use pretty much anyone's code and you can get it for $40 for the first time. That's what I did, and that's why I started using it. Ciao Bella XO, La Vida de Meg, like, I did her code, I think, the first time that I bought it, and then I've been getting it ever since then. So I think this is my 5th box, I want to say. I think I started getting it last spring. So personally, I love this. I would highly, highly recommend it. I am literally not sponsored to say this. I'm the smallest channel ever. So I just really like it. So again, if you guys like this type of video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, turn the notifications on. Also, if you want to, pop on over and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. I will have all my handles on the screen, and I will also have them linked down below. I am also going to probably do a blog post on this box as well, so if you kind of want to see everything more close up and in more detail, I will also have my blog linked down below, so you can also go check that out as well. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye!